Mindfulness of breath. 3-minute breathing exercise. To prepare for this exercise, just take a few moments, whether you're sitting or standing, just to find a comfortable position. You may choose to close your eyes or keep them open. If you're feeling a bit tired, it may be useful to let just a little bit of light in to keep you alert. Begin by gently moving your attention onto the process of breathing, simply observing each breath as it happens, whether you focus on the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen, or perhaps the sensation of the breath as it moves in and out of the nostrils. Are the breaths deep or shallow, long or short? Really feel what it is like to breathe, without feeling the need to alter your breath, just observing it as it happens. As you engage with this exercise, you may find that your mind wanders, caught by thoughts or by noises around the room or bodily sensations. When you notice that this happens, know that this is okay and that our mind often wanders. Simply notice what has caught your mind's attention, then gently bring your focus back to the breath. You may find as you watch your breath that it begins to change, or stays at a steady pace. Whatever your breath is doing, just watch it in this moment and feel what it is like to be breathing. Again, if your mind wanders, it may do so many times. As you notice that your focus has moved from breathing, you may wish to simply label the distraction as thinking, or as a feeling, or as sensations or noise. Then just gently bring your attention back onto the process of breathing. As we move towards the end of this short exercise, I invite you to allow yourself to be really aware of your next few breaths, focusing on every sensation as the breath comes in and as it flows out. Take a few moments to yourself just to feel really connected with the present moment. Now, as you feel comfortable to do so, you can expand your awareness from the breath into the rest of your body and the room around you. And when you feel ready to do so, you can open your eyes and bring the exercise to a close.